This is Dill Dal. Welcome to Not Your Usual Dal, Episode 2, a series where I share lentil based recipes that are a little dal adjacent. Perfect for those days when you're craving a change from your usual bowl of dal. And to kick things off, we have this Dill Dal, light, fragrant, and delicious. It comes together with just a handful of ingredients and in almost no time at all. First and foremost, we need Moong Dal, about 4 tablespoons. We need to wash and soak for at least 20 minutes. While that's soaking, let's get our vegetables chopped. We need to pick the dill leaves from the stem. This is actually the most tedious part. Now let's get this washed. We need to chop this finely. This is important or else the dill leaves will clump up. Now we need an onion sliced, a half an inch ginger chopped, couple of garlic cloves peeled. We also need a couple of green chilies. Now let's get the dal cooking. I'm cooking in a pot. You can pressure cook it too. As it froths up, I remove the foam as it might have some impurities. Now that it's softened, let's add some turmeric powder, salt to taste. The sliced onions go in too, along with the chopped ginger. Let's add a green chili as well. Now let this cook some more till the onions soften. Then we add the dill leaves. Give it a good mix. We might lose the delicate crisp flavor of the dill leaves if you cook it for too long. Once you have the desired consistency, switch off. Now for the tempering, add a teaspoon of ghee, then add a sprinkle of cumin seeds, a couple of garlic cloves, and maybe a slit green chili. Pour this tempering over the dal and cover for the flavor to infuse. Delicate, aromatic, and light, this dal is just heavenly. Poured over hot steaming rice with a side of egg bhurji and a crisp cucumber tomato salad, it made for a hearty lunch. I hope you give this a try. For more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, take care and ta-ta.